How to get a client for graphic design without any experience. Getting clients for graphic design without any prior experience can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here are a few steps to consider. 1. Build a portfolio. Even if you don't have paid experience, you can create your own projects to showcase your skills. Design logos, mock websites, social media graphics, and more. This will demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. 2. Offer free or low-cost work. Initially, consider offering your services for free or at a significantly reduced rate to build up your portfolio and gain some real-world experience. 3. Network. Attend local events, workshops, and meetups related to design or entrepreneurship. Networking can help you connect with individuals or businesses that might need your services. 4. Online platforms. Sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. While competition can be tough, these platforms can provide exposure to potential clients. 5. Social media. Create profiles on platforms like Instagram, Behance, or Dribbble to showcase your work. Regularly share your designs and engage with the design community. 6. Cold outreach. Identify businesses or individuals that might benefit from your services and reach out to them with a tailored proposal. Highlight how your designs can solve their specific problems or enhance their brand. 7. Volunteer. Offer to design for nonprofit organizations, local clubs, or community events. This not only adds to your portfolio but also helps you make connections. 8. Online content. Create valuable content related to design. This could be blog posts, YouTube tutorials, or social media posts that showcase your knowledge and skills. 9. Referrals. If you have friends or acquaintances who work in related fields, ask if they know anyone in need of design work. Referrals can be a great way to secure clients. 10. Continuous learning. Keep improving your skills by learning new techniques and staying updated with design trends. The more skilled you become, the more attractive you'll be to potential clients. Remember that building a client base takes time, especially when you're starting from scratch. Be persistent, open to feedback, and willing to adapt your approach as you gain experience and learn from each interaction. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tips and updates. Thank you for listening.